Today on John Silver Finds, we hunt a penny box. What is up, guys, and welcome back to John Silver Finds. Today, we're hunting a penny box, and underneath I've looked and you can clearly see that they are all circulated. So that's a good thing. So let's crack right into this. Flip it around here. This is actually the first box I've ever purchased and hunted before. So, oh yeah, all circulated. All right, so I'm gonna get my handy snap-on screwdriver out and let's go. Let's check out the enders. None of them really look anything really. So yeah, let's get this going here. Now what I'm gonna do is just this first roll live, and then depending what I get, I'll just cue you in when I find stuff. All right, here we go. Okay. See some older stuff here. This is a 1960, so I mean, nothing fantastic. Here's a nice looking one, 1974. All right, so it's all looking just like basic currency. So I'm gonna go through all these and I'll cue you in when I find stuff. Roll number 3, and I see this poking out. Look what I got. An Indian headed 1902. Fantastic. 7th roll in, got my first Wheatie. 1946. All right. Oop. There we go. 1951 wheat penny. Cool. Add that to the collection over there. All right, so I am about halfway done. Found a couple things, mostly wheat pennies. Really nice. Basically uncirculated 1974 memorial cent, and a whole bunch of copper. So, gonna continue on. Okay, and I am done with the box. So the find of the day was this 1902 Indian head penny. It is not in bad shape at all, except for some of the like weird little dents and stuff around the rim. Other than that, that's cool. 2 1941s, 2 1944s, a 1945, 2 1946s, a 1948, a 1950, a 1951, a 1957, and a 1958 for wheat pennies. These here are just 2 really nice 1970s. This one is a super nice 1971. This one's a super nice 74. I mean, it's got some, what appears to be some gook on it, but it is not in bad shape. And then I got 4 2009s. Here is a 1972 Canadian cent from Canada. Here's a pretty old one. It's a 1962 Canadian cent. And they're all in decent shape. And then this one is a 1979, and it's obviously struck off center. Now this is like the only error stuff that I'll really keep. I don't really generally look for error coins, but this one has a big rim at the bottom and nothing right here. So this is the only stuff that I really will keep. And then an entire cup full of copper. I know a lot of people are gonna say, don't keep this stuff because what's the point? But eventually you're gonna be able to sell copper pennies. at melt value, whatever that would be at that point in time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep saving them until that day comes. Eventually it's gonna happen, so. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I sure had a lot of fun searching my first penny box. Make sure you like and subscribe, help me build my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.